The HPR 8HP output flange comes as a kit with the flange itself, supplied high-tensile bolts, washers, a genuine ZF locknut, and an O-ring to seal against the splines. Features and benefits with the HPR 8HP output flange. The flange itself is CNC machined to a high-grade finish of 4140, then thru-hardened and surface treated. The flange itself has a tooth machined in order for external speed pickup if required. The spline tooth of the flange also has a tighter fitment than the OEM. This flange is machined slimmer and lighter than many of our competitors, but we can assure you it will handle all the power you can throw at it. There are two pitch circle diameters on this flange. For all custom applications, we have a pitch circle diameter of 375 inch with a 60-degree split. The pilot is 2 inch 75, and you can also use Toyota 4-bolt and Nissan 4-bolt pitch circle diameter on this. Optional is a spacer ring that can be used with Toyota centering, and also many Nissan 4-bolt centering goes through the other side on the spacer ring. How to install your HPR 8HP output flange. Firstly, please note the seal area between the splines and the threads on the axle. This is where the O-ring should sit. Also note the two notches on the axle where the nut needs to be notched after torquing down. You install the output flange itself onto the splines. You enter the O-ring onto the axle, and then you torque down the ZF locknut to 60 Newton meters. After it's been torqued down, you can notch in the two spots on the axle. For the drivetrain install, you torque the high tensile bolts to 70 Newton meters.